The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Unimog USA Power Line represents an extraordinary evolution of one of the world's most respected off-road workhorses, designed specifically to meet the extreme demands of North American power grid teams, high-altitude maintenance crews, infrastructure specialists, off-road emergency responders, and expedition leaders who require not only capability, but absolute trust in the machine that carries them through environments where failure is simply not an option. The USA Power Line Edition is built with a philosophy that blends industrial purpose engineering with premium comfort, merging the unstoppable mechanical DNA of the Unimog with elevated refinement, advanced suspension dynamics, enhanced power delivery, and specialized equipment that transforms the vehicle into a mobile command platform capable of handling any terrain condition, climate, or operational challenge found across the massive landscape of the United States. Painted in a deep Thunder Graphite Metallic finish, the body glows under showroom lighting with a combination of industrial strength and premium luxury, its metallic particles creating a powerful visual depth that complements the squared muscular proportions of the 2026 Unimog chassis. Every curve, joint, bolt, panel gap, hinge, and structural backbone of the Power Line Edition has been refined for 2026 to take durability to a new level. It continues the legacy of the Unimog but introduces an elevated next-generation frame material blend that includes reinforced cross members, high-tensile steel, corrosion-resistant elements, and structural gussets designed specifically for high-load operations often required in power grid servicing, from remote line inspections to extreme weather access. The Power Line Edition features heavy-duty wheel arch armor, steel-plated skid sections, a front industrial bumper with integrated 20,000-pound rated winch, reinforced side steps, and a dual-phase underbody shield capable of resisting rock strikes, frozen debris, and heavy impact obstacles that typically occur on remote utility trails or after natural disasters. The Thunder Graphite Metallic exterior is accented with satin black functional trim, including the grille, bumper inlays, roof rails, mirror housings, utility clamps, and protective body edges that create a visually aggressive but clean and professional presence. At the front, the 2026 Power Line introduces new full LED matrix illumination with adjustable beam intelligence designed for utility workers who often operate in low-visibility environments. The adaptive lighting system recalibrates based on terrain, altitude, fog density, rainfall intensity, and reflective surfaces, ensuring the driver always has optimal clarity even in remote locations with no available lighting. Below the headlights, integrated LED work lamps provide high-output flood coverage for nighttime inspections, repairs, or off-road recovery activities. A roof-mounted utility light bar with 360-degree rotation capabilities can illuminate large sections of surrounding terrain, supporting operations in forests, rocky plains, snow-covered mountains, and isolated power line routes. The 2026 Unimog USA Power Line is powered by a newly tuned 3.0-liter high-torque turbo diesel engine delivering massive low-end torque optimized for crawling, towing, and carrying heavy equipment loads while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency for long-distance deployments. Mercedes engineers developed a torque-focused software calibration that enhances responsiveness at slow speeds while smoothing power curves during climb operations. Paired with the advanced 8-speed automated transmission and the legendary Unimog portal axles, the Power Line Edition is capable of conquering deep mud, steep angles, rocky formations, desert dunes, snowbanks, and water crossings up to 34 inches deep. The new high-flex suspension ensures the wheels maintain traction on unpredictable terrain while keeping the cabin surprisingly stable for operators who must remain alert and comfortable during long hours in isolated areas. Inside, the cabin of the USA Power Line Edition is a complete transformation from traditional industrial vehicles. Mercedes-Benz engineered a cockpit that blends premium comfort with rugged field-ready materials. The seats are wrapped in charcoal black performance leather with Thunder Graphite stitching that echoes the vehicle's exterior tone, combined with deep bolstered cushions designed for fatigue-free long-distance driving. The dashboard is crafted from reinforced matte black polymer panels with brushed aluminum accents, utility mounting points, and integrated pressure-sealed compartments for sensitive equipment. A large 14-inch central infotainment display sits in the center, offering navigation, diagnostics, mapping overlays, drone pairing interface, and onboard connectivity for remote operation planning. The instrument cluster ahead of the driver is fully digital and customizable, offering readouts for mechanical status, power grid data logs, altitude, slope angle, torque distribution, suspension articulation, and winch tension feedback. The steering wheel is thick, durable, heated, and covered in premium leather with anti-slip textures for glove-friendly operation. Climate control systems are upgraded to industrial-grade dual-zone cooling and heating with particulate filtration that maintains cabin air quality in dusty, smoky, or post-storm environments. Overhead compartments store safety gear, emergency tools, and portable power modules. The cabin also includes a fold-out desk surface, allowing the Unimog to serve as a field office or command center during operations in remote areas. USB-C fast charging ports, wireless charging pads, and 110 volts outlets ensure all essential electronics remain powered during extended missions. For long expeditions, integrated food storage compartments, water-resistant floor mats, and modular seat configurations allow operators to customize the interior layout for tools, equipment, or rest setups. The rear cargo area of the Power Line Edition is a masterpiece of functionality. Designed for the unique needs of American power grid service teams, it features industrial-grade side housings, reinforced tie-downs, anti-slip surfaces, weather-sealed tool compartments, and integrated lockable storage built directly into the bed walls. A utility-ready modular rack system supports ladders, repair gear, cables, portable pylons, and heavy tools, while a high-strength tailgate includes mounting points for additional field instruments. Optional power outlets, welding terminals, and mobile charging systems allow the vehicle to function as a portable power hub. The Thunder Graphite Metallic paint continues across the cargo body and blends harmoniously with the matte black utility elements, giving the Power Line Edition a unified and commanding appearance even when fully loaded. On the road, the 2026 Unimog USA Power Line surprises with its surprising smoothness, thanks to advanced shock absorbers, noise-dampening materials, and a recalibrated drivetrain. Though designed for rugged use, the vehicle is equally comfortable on highways, gravel roads, and rural routes that connect remote work zones across the country. The driving position offers a commanding view, elevated above most vehicles, allowing operators to easily navigate heavy foliage, water crossings, or rocky passes without sacrificing awareness. The enormous windows, triple seal doors, and reinforced frame design provide a quiet and secure environment, protecting occupants from harsh weather, strong winds, and extreme temperatures. Safety systems have been significantly upgraded, integrating advanced Mercedes-Benz driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, lane support, trailer stability control, emergency response mapping, and satellite-based hazard detection. These features are invaluable in operational environments where fatigue, limited visibility, or sudden terrain changes can pose risks. In addition, the Power Line Edition includes a specialized off-road hazard detection system that uses sensors, thermal mapping, and ultrasonic scanning to identify obstacles hidden by vegetation, snow, or terrain shadows. The 2026 Unimog USA Power Line is more than a vehicle. It is a mobile infrastructure lifeline designed for extreme reliability during emergencies. Whether deploying into wildfire zones, snowstorms, hurricanes, cross-country power line inspections, remote mountain installations, desert-based infrastructure sites, or post-disaster recovery areas, the Power Line Edition stands ready to serve as an indispensable tool that can withstand the harshest environments. The Thunder Graphite Metallic finish represents a symbol of strength, durability, and resilience, a color that reflects both the industrial purpose and elevated luxury of the Unimog's evolution. Every detail of the vehicle demonstrates this dual-purpose philosophy. The rugged front bumper is sculpted for approach angles required on steep trails. The portal axles elevate the vehicle far above obstacles. The reinforced cabin shell protects against falling debris, while deep tread all-terrain tires provide enormous traction. Interior surfaces balance premium feel with wipe clean materials ideal for muddy, snowy, or dusty conditions. Technology systems allow operators to remain connected across remote regions, while mechanical systems ensure capability even when electronic assistance is unavailable. The Power Line Edition is not just a specialized tool, it is also a testament to the ongoing legacy of the Unimog as a symbol of unstoppable capability. For decades, the Unimog has been trusted by militaries, fire departments, utility teams, explorers, and off-road rescue units around the world. In 2026, The USA Power Line builds on this legacy by introducing improvements in refinement, durability, intelligence, and multi-function design. It reflects the strength of American infrastructure challenges and the engineering excellence of Mercedes-Benz, combining both into a vehicle that truly belongs in environments where only the strongest machines survive. When parked in a modern showroom with a white shining reflective floor, the Thunder Graphite Metallic Power Line Edition commands immediate attention. Its massive stance, towering ground clearance, precise panel work, sharp LED lighting signature, and robust proportions create an imposing but undeniably luxurious presence. The metallic graphite paint deepens under the lights, showing subtle waves and reflections across the stout hood, the angled fenders, and the militaristic lines of the cabin. Walking around the vehicle, every angle communicates strength and purpose, yet its polished finish, premium interior, and refined detailing reveal that this is not just an industrial tool, but a high-end machine crafted with the attention to detail expected from Mercedes-Benz. The Unimog USA Power Line Edition stands as the new pinnacle for utility-based off-road vehicles in America. From mountain summits to dense forests, from desert crossings to snowy plains, from storm-damaged infrastructure routes to remote valleys where power lines run for miles with no access, this vehicle rises to every challenge. It exemplifies the concept of industrial luxury, an uncompromising machine that elevates both the experience of the operator and the capabilities of the mission being undertaken. The 2026 edition sets new standards for durability, comfort, intelligence, and operational readiness, ensuring that wherever the American landscape demands strength, reliability, and capability, the Unimog Power Line is ready to lead the way.